Hi there. Welcome to BBConnect, our advanced and future-ready ERP platform designed for educational institutions. In this video, you'll learn how to download and log in to BBConnect. BBConnect empowers parents and guardians with easy access to all information about their children, anytime, anywhere. The app strengthens communication between families, teachers, and school authorities, ensuring you stay updated on your child's growth and progress throughout their school journey. To get started, download the BBConnect app from the Google Play Store. Once installed, simply enter your school URL as shown on the screen. And click Submit to proceed to the login page. Use the username and password provided to you via circular, SMS, or other communication channels. These credentials work across multiple devices, allowing all family members to view their children's details together. When you first log in, you'll see prompts requesting notification permission. Enable notifications so you never miss an important update. From your home screen, tap the Profile section to view an extended menu of tabs. If supported by your device, you can also enable finger touch login for extra convenience. Explore the home screen to discover key features and streamline your daily experience. Alongside the mobile app, you can access all features on our secure web portal. Use any desktop, laptop, or tablet with your school's unique URL to stay connected. For any additional support, please visit our website at www.brightbee.co.in. You can also email us using the address provided or simply drop a comment and our team will reach out to you. At Brightbee Technologies, we are dedicated to partnering with educators, parents, and students, helping everyone succeed together. Thank you.